Our topic for today is to demonstrate moving an incremental piece of a project drawdown scenario model from the original Excel implementation to the web-based Python implementation. This is the unmodified Excel file in the FirstCost tab, which calculates costs associated with the scenario. The original implementation of the model uses formula in the spreadsheet, which you can see in the formula bar here. It frequently references other tabs in the spreadsheet, in this case including the Advanced Controls tab and the Unit Adoption Calculations tab. We're using Visual Basic to communicate from Excel to the web-based Python implementation. You can see the code which handles the FirstCost tab here. It collects data from the Advanced Controls tab and from the Unit Adoption tab, as well as several fields from the top of the FirstCost tab which influence its calculations. It marshals those arguments into a request, which it sends to the backend service. When the service responds, it unpacks the results here and inserts them into the spreadsheet. This is the version of the spreadsheet where we've hooked up Visual Basic to fetch data from the backend service. As you can see, we've removed the formula from that column. Those values are now all 0. There's also a button to initiate a request to the service. And voila! The values came back from the Python code, were populated here in the spreadsheet, and we changed the cell colors to a black background with white text to signify that the values come from an external source and shouldn't be modified here, as they'd just be overwritten the next time the operation is done.